welcome to Sanford, Orlando. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, we ask that you remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all of your items stowed and out of the aisle until the aircraft comes to its final stop. Once the captain turns off that fasten seatbelt sign, it is then safe to get up and gather your personal belongings. Please use caution when the overhead bins, as items do tend to shift during flight. We also ask that you please refrain from smoking until safe outside the terminal area and only in designated smoking areas. If you're claiming luggage, just follow the signs to baggage claim. If you need any help with ground transportation or baggage claim, one of our uniformed representatives meeting this aircraft will be happy to assist you. On the behalf of your entire Sanford-based crew, we'd like to thank you for traveling with us today. It's certainly been our pleasure serving you. We hope to see you on more Allegiant flights in the near future. For those passengers requesting wheelchair assistance, we ask that you remain comfortably in your seat. Once you are able to move to the forward of the cabin, you're welcome to take one of the front rows. As soon as a wheelchair is available, with personnel to push it, one of the flight attendants will assist you. Welcome to Sanford.